Has a woman ever messed with your head? Like she says one thing, but does another. She wants you close, then suddenly pushes you away. She plays hot and cold so hard, it fries your brain up like scrambled eggs. If you've ever felt that, congratulations. You've just seen the worst part of being with a woman. And whether you realize it or not, she was testing you. See, women don't test men because they're evil. They do it because it's how they're wired. It's a filtering mechanism. It's self-defense against creeps and losers. It's nature's version of quality control. And if you fail these tests, you're done, ignored, ghosted, or worse, friend-zoned and kept around as emotional toilet paper. Let's stop that from ever happening again. Here are 7 brutal mind games women play on men, and how to flip the script on each one. Mind game number 1. Let's see how long he'll wait. She's late, not once or twice, but 9 times out of 10. Or she doesn't reply to texts for hours or days. You tell yourself she's just busy. No, she's watching your reaction. If you lose your cool, you fail. If you wait patiently like a simp, you fail harder. Here's how to beat this insidious mind game. Don't wait, don't react, don't even ask. Leave, don't text back, go dark. And when she realizes you're not orbiting her like every other guy, that's when she texts you. Where did you go? You win. Mind game number 2. Silent treatment equals power grab. You say something she doesn't like. She responds with radio silence. You rack your brain, wondering what you did wrong. But the truth is that she wants to knock you off balance, and she wants you to chase after her like a puppy, to grovel at her feet like a beggar. Again, it's a test, and to beat it, understand this. Silence is a game of chicken. Out-silence her. You talk when she talks, not before. When you stop feeding her drama, she starts starving for your attention. And that's when the table flips and you're back in control. Mind game number 3. The maybe girl. She flirts with you. She twirls her curls and looks at you meaningfully. She touches your arm. She laughs a little too hard at your jokes. Then out of the blue, she says, "I'm not looking for anything serious." What's the deal? Well, here's what's really happening. She wants the power. She wants the attention. But she doesn't want to give anything in return. She doesn't want to commit. How to beat this test? Easy. Never invest first. Let her show effort. Let her earn your attention. If she backs off, perfect. Let her. It's not your job to convince her you're the real deal. You're the one who should say maybe, not her. Mind game number 4. Last-minute cancellation. You made plans. You cleared your schedule. Then she texts, "Sorry, something came up." She's testing your flexibility, aka your desperation. Are you bending over backwards for her like a bitch? If you are, you're failing her test. How to beat this test? Reply with, "No worries, I've got other stuff anyway." And then don't reschedule. Your time is sacred. Don't give second chances to flakes. If she's still keen, she'll chase after you. Mind game number 5. Damsel in distress. Suddenly she's in some drama. Money issues, emotional breakdowns, car trouble. And guess who she calls? You. She's fishing for resources, attention, validation. It's not because you're special, it's because you're available. And if you give in and get embroiled in her stupid drama, you lose. The smart way to beat this mind game is to never rescue her. Never be a white knight. Never be Captain Save-A-Ho. Offer nothing unless she's earned it, not even when you're banging her. Sex isn't a currency unless she's a whore. The right thing to do is to tell her, "You'll figure it out. You're smart like that." Now she's the one who feels tested, and you win. Mind game number 6. Be a man challenge. She says, "Real men do X. If you were a man, you'd do Y." Warning, she's baiting you. Take the bait and you're dancing to her stupid tune. Don't give in. Instead, lean in and say, "You'll see what kind of man I am when I decide it's worth showing you." Then walk away. Dominance is silent. You don't prove it. You project it as the virtuous masculine you are. Mind game number 7. The sudden cold shoulder. You thought things were going well. Then she pulls back, ignores you, acts distant. What happened? Nothing. This is a random compliance test. She wants to know if your world crumbles when she withdraws. To beat it, don't confront. Don't explain. Instead, punish her shitty behavior. Disappear. And when she realizes she's lost access to your attention, she'll come running, believe me. Okay, we're nearing the end of this video, so let's wrap this up. Let's see how long he'll wait. Silent treatment equals power grab. The maybe girl. Last-minute cancellation. The damsel in distress. The be a man challenge. The sudden cold shoulder. These mind games aren't random. They're strategic tests wired deep into the female psyche. And most men, they fail every single one. They get friend-zoned, manipulated, ghosted, or turned into emotional slaves. But not you. Not anymore. Because now you've seen behind the curtain. Now you know her games. But knowing isn't enough. You need to know how to fight back. You need a system. You need Shogun Method. Shogun Method isn't about playing defense. It's about flipping the script, so you're the one pulling the strings. When you master Shogun Method, her games stop cold. She doesn't test you, she obeys you. Because you'll no longer be just a man. You'll be her obsession. So here's what to do next. Go to fractionation.org. There, sign up for the Shogun Method online masterclass. Use your best email. Then, wait for your invitation ticket to appear in your inbox. Once you're in, everything changes, because now you know what to do to handle her shitty little mind games. If she screws around, you punish her. If she tests you, you'll pass with flying colors. If she resists, you'll break her resistance. Sign up for the Shogun Method online masterclass at fractionation.org. Learn how to beat her games before she even plays them. This is your moment. Join the Shogun Method Brotherhood today. Click the link in the pinned comment below.